This conference will now be recorded.
Yesterday we discussed about input output operations, right? What is input, what is output? Okay, so these are the input and output operations. We have two, okay, these operation in two ways. One is formatted, second one is unformatted. One is formatted, second one is unformatted. Again, what are the formatted input output functions? Nothing but scanf and printf. Okay. Today we discussed scanf, right? Scanf is input function or input operator. We have to write down the control string and we have to mention the variable list. Okay. So this is about input and output. Still we have some. Okay. Hi Chandrasekhar. Okay. In the scanf, shall we use that one only? Okay. For example, scanf. We can write. It should be in double quote percentage D ampersand A. It means A is a variable of integer type. D means digit. Recording and sharing. Good evening, Ritishri, Karthik. Okay. If the user uses percentage D percentage F. First one is A variable, second one is B variable. Here we have two variables A and B. A is nothing but integer type, B is nothing but floating type, floated values, which is nothing but decimal values. Same like that. These are called control strings. These are called control strings. Okay. Percentages, percentage C. S means string, collection of characters. If the variable you declared is a collection of characters, then use percentages. Okay. If the variable you declared it is only single character, then use percentage C. Okay. Variable C, variable D. Okay, na? Like this, we have some formats to declare the data types. Okay. We will discuss what they are right now. Okay. Here, following are the formats for different data types. Okay, so different data types. Format, type of data or type of, you can say, value. Type of data, type of value. If we are using percentage D, D means digit. D means digits. So it is nothing but to declare integer. If your variable is integer type, then we should use percentage D control string. Okay, na? Next, percentage F, which is nothing but floating value or floating number. If you want to declare a decimal values, at that time use percentage F. Percentage C is nothing but for character. Percentage LD. L means long. L means long. Okay. Percentage U. Percent U is nothing but unsigned integer. Unsigned integer. Okay, what is the maximum value of unsigned integer? It is from 0 to 256 or yes, range between the data types. Okay. If you want to declare double, which is nothing but long float. L means long, F means float. So double of the floated values, double of the scale. Percentage S, which is nothing but string. Okay. Some we have, we never use. Okay. Percentage X. Percentage X. It is nothing but it reads hexadecimal values. What are the hexadecimal values, beta? Anyone knows? Hexa, which is nothing but 6. Deci, which is nothing but 10. 6 plus 10, 16. If you are using 16 digits in the number system, then it is called hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system, which has 0 to 9, 0 to 9 numbers, which is nothing but total 10. Next, A, B, and F. Okay. So these 8 act as a 10, B act as a 11, C act as a 12, 13, 14, and this is the 15. We use all of this in the hexadecimal number system, 0 to 9 digits and A to F alphabets. Okay. Our number plates, our vehicle number plates, they follow this type of number system, hexadecimal number system. Next one is percentage O. O is nothing but octal. It reads octal numbers. Okay, what is the hexadecimal number system? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 7. Octa means 8. You see, October, octa. Oct means 8. Deci, December. Deci means 10. Okay, see here 1, 2, 3 up to 8. In the octal number system, they use only 8 digits from 0 to 7. They don't have 8, 9, 10, 11, so and so. They have only up to 7 digits. Okay, up to 0 to 7. Next one is percentage I. Percentage I. It's nothing but it reads all like decimal numbers. It will read hexadecimal number and octal. Okay. Here, if you're using percentage I, it means if we can give decimal numbers, we can give hexadecimal number, and we can give the octal number system. Okay. Okay. And we have some more percentage E. Reads floating point number. It is also read floating point number. Percentage E. And we have percentage G also. It is also reads floating point number. Okay, percentage F, percentage E, percentage G, we can use for floating values. Okay, so these are called formats. Percentage D, percentage F, percentage C, but mostly ఏమైనా డౌట్ వచ్చిందా? ఓకే బేటా. అభిరామ్, చాము, చంద్ర, కవిత, కార్తిక్. Who is this Redmi 9A? Okay. But 90% we use only this one, percentage D, percentage F, percentage C, okay, and percentage S. But sometimes percentage LD also for long integer. Okay, mostly we use percentage D, F, C, and LD. Okay, so this is about formats, how to format the control strings of scanf. Okay, the next one is printf. It is also formatted input or output functions. Okay, in the earlier I told you that there are two types of we can declare in two ways. One is formatted, another one is unformatted. Okay, so this printf and scanf are formatted input and output functions. What is the use of printf? It prints or displays the result, which we can call it is the output on the monitor. On the monitor. On the monitor. Okay. So this is about simple definition for printf. It display whatever the result on the monitor. Okay. Format. What is the format we have? Printf. Again here we should use control string and arguments. Argument 1, argument 2, so on. Okay. 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 Printf, control strings and arguments. In the control strings in the printf, we can use /n, /t, /b. Okay. I will explain in our programs whatever we have. Okay. So these are the formatted input and output operations or functions. One sample example, one program, one example program about printf. Okay. First we have to include stdio.h. Why? Because I want to use printf and scanf. Okay. Next, void main. Next, open the braces. After including preprocessor directories, we should use void main. Why we are using void and why we are using main? I think I explained right in our starting classes. Void means avoid. Here I declare one variable as a int and one variable as a float and one variable as a char. Okay. So here I have three variables a, b, c. Okay. A is integer data type, b is floating data type, c is character data type. Printf. It is a control string. Enter the value of a, b, and c. The value of a, b, and c. Here it is a control string. Okay. And one more thing in printf, we can just write control string or control string along with the argument list or the values. So this is about printf, which print on the monitor. Next, I want to receive those inputs values which is sent by keyboard. Okay. Here I have three variables, right? A, B, C. What is A variable? It is the integer type. It is a integer type. For integer type, which format we should use? D. D means digit. Next we have floated value. B is nothing but floated value. So floated means percentage F. And for third one, C is nothing but character. Is also nothing but percentage C. Okay. Here in scanf we have two parts. One is control string. Second one is actual values or values list. Okay. Here the first value stored in A. It is called address of A. It means whatever you entered at the very first time, that value stores in A variable. Okay. Next percentage ampersand B. Next one is ampersand C. Okay. A, B, C. These are the formations and these are the variables or values. Okay. A, B and C. And it should be compulsory we use ampersand. Ampersand means address. Next again I want to print. Okay. Here A value. It is nothing but percentage B. Okay. Then I am using slash T. T means tab, means it will give the space of tab. Next, write down B. B is nothing but it's a floated value. Okay. Next, slash T means tab. Next, C value. It is nothing but percentage C. Okay. So here is the printf statement. It will print A value, B value, and C value. Okay. But I don't know what is A, what is B, and what is C. Okay. So the first percentage D, which is nothing but it is first A variable, which is nothing but A. The second variable percentage F, it is nothing but B, and the third one is C, and the third one is C. Okay. Wait a minute. Someone is. Okay. So this is about formatted input and output. Formatted input and output functions we have. Okay. Next we have here. If you see here, what is the output for this? A is nothing but value. Which value we entered? Okay. For example, I entered 10. So A value is 10. Next it is slash T. T means it will give some space. This much space. B is equal to 23.7. C is nothing but character. For example, D. Okay. So this is the output. Okay. The next one is unformed input output functions. Unformed input output functions. Unformed unformatted input output function. Okay. In that the first one is get char. I think we discussed these all these right in console input output function header files. ఇవన్నీ విన్నాం కదా, డిస్కస్ చేసాం మనం. వాట్ ఈస్ గెట్ క్యార్, వాట్ ఈస్ పుట్ క్యార్. Get char, put char. It is deal with one characters. Next gets s, puts s. Gets and puts. The next one is get ch, and here put ch. Okay, these three. Okay, get char, put char, gets and puts, get ch and put ch. These are unformatted input output functions. Whereas scanf and printf, these are the formatted input output functions. Okay, na? I think we discussed all this: get ch, put ch, get char, put char. Okay. Okay. Any doubt regarding this? Okay. Write down the notes, Amma. Okay. I will give some other. అర్థమవుతుందమ్మా? అభిరామ్, చాముండేశ్వరి, చంద్ర, కవిత, కార్తీక్, రితిశ్రీ, చైతన్య. స్టార్టింగ్ లో కొంచెం థియరిటికల్ ఇలాగే ఉంటుంది. స్టార్టింగ్ మే రితిశ్రీ, in the very starting beginning classes it's like this only, because only theoretical classes. After that we have programming classes. Okay. Okay, write down the notes. Notes is very 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 important for you. Okay, write down the notes, Amma. I will explain Aviram. Where we gets is used, where is get care. Okay. Get care, put care. Tomorrow is Krishna Ashtami, right? Do you celebrate Krishna Ashtami, Janmashtami? Yes, Ritishree, Abhiram, Lavanya, Chamundeshwari. Tomorrow is a holiday for us. Krishna Ashtami. Hmm. Hmm.